Hi there! Today we're going to learn about how to add an RSVP link in Canva. So RSVP is usually used in wedding invitations. And the meaning of RSVP is, if you'll search in Google, it's a French word. But then if you will translate it to English, it just means please reply. So basically you're sending the recipients your wedding invitation and you're asking them to reply to your wedding invitation. So here we are in Canva. So here is the wedding invitation. And if you're done editing your wedding invitation, you can just click on share button right here on the upper right. And then you can click on see all. Then after that, you can just search for Grady cards. And here's the logo. It's a violet one. It says Grady cards and then click on it. Click on save. And then we'll wait for it to load. After it has completed its loading, you can just click on this link right here, view in Grady cards. So it will open up a new tab. So if you're not logged in with Grade cards yet, a login page will pop up. You can just sync your account or you can create a new one. In my case, I already connected my Google account. So it just redirect me to this page. So if you're already here, you can just click on customize manually. So this button right here, save time with Magic Wheel, it uses AI. So I guess you can prompt it to complete your RSVP, but we like to edit it more manually so we can minimize mistakes. So we can just click on this button on this gray button right here, customize manually, and then it will load. And then here we have our RSVP editing page. So here's the preview of your wedding card on the left side. And here is the customization options that we can do. For example, you want to edit this, you can just edit for the host name. So let's just put some dummy names right here. So event title, country, you can choose your country, time zone, and type of event. You just use weddings, then wedding, start date and time, location details if you want, then add gifting options, and then the gift registry name. So after you're done customizing your RSVP, you can just click on this link on this button on the bottom right that says next customize. And then it lets you customize your RSVP further if you want to add a description for it. And then meal option. For example, I want to add it will, oh, I guess it will put it on the email since it's not showing it on the RSVP. And then we can click on next style. And then you can edit your RSVP a little more. So if you want the original theme, the seamless theme, and then the branded theme. So for the branded theme, you need to have your own logo. So you'll need to upload it to the to this website. So if, for example, I click on the branded one. So what happens to your RSVP is that your logo will show up first here, and then you can click on open button to open the wedding invitation. So that's what the branded design team does. So you can, if you want the seamless one, just click on it, and then here is the preview for the seamless theme. And then you can edit your invitation further. If you want to have a banner text, for example, you're invited. Then the theme color, you can change it, do anything that you want. I change it from black to blue, to yellow. And then if you want to change the shadow color, you can do it as well. And then the text color, white seems better. Black is okay. And then wallpaper, you can change it. If you want yellow, black, white. And then for the card edges, so this one has a straight edge. If you choose this round edge one, and then it change right here. Oops, what the theme color also changed. Okay. And then for the e-card shadow, you choose it as well, but it's not displaying here. So that's for the 3D effect. If you want to have 3D effect to your invitation, the button field, here is the button, the RSVP. If I choose this, it's now have a transparent background. For the button edge styles, you can use the corners if it's rounded or not. And then for the shadows again. So if you want to add your logo, you can just click on add your logo and then click on it and then upload your logo. If you want to edit the wallpapers, for example, want to change the wallpaper, and then you can just click here to upload your wallpaper image. So I have this wallpaper right here, and then we'll wait for it to load, and then you can now see that the wallpaper for the wedding invitation has changed. And then after you're finished, you can just click on next publish, and then you can share it to your wedding guests. So set your URL and publish your invite. So for example, this is my URL, and then we can just click on publish, and then that is it. So for this one, you need to pay if you want to use their services. But since we're just using free, you can just exit this, and then that is it for this video. And thank you for watching, and I hope you learn how to create an RSVP link to your recipients.